So I've taken a bit of aluminium, cut it, and then put it behind this gap. Now, not that easy to do with one hand, and I thought, well, I wonder if that'll give it enough friction to hold it. This is the bracket that broke off. It's got, so I'd see what actually must have happened there was that was sitting behind it, wasn't it? Yeah, that's the front bit broken. So now I have to get this onto this. Put two holes in the marks, line them up with the wee bracket, mark them up, put two holes in. I think it was a 7mm metal drill with some oil to cool it down. So I've got the bolts, managed to get them through right to the other side. There's still some gap. I've got a feeling there's not really enough purchase on the left hand side, but we can only try. So I've got a problem, which is it won't really fit properly. So what I'm going to do is got that bracket at the back, and I put a wee bit of tape onto it. And then I'm going to glue this to the back of that, like this, so that it doesn't move when I put it into place. So that's that glued into place at the back of the bracket. Now I'm going to see if I can get it in. Sitting in. Whether the other bit's going to fit on top and clamp on, it's a different story. Let's try it. Got to as far as here, where the fiberglass bit is falling off, the other bit is just sitting there. And the bracket now looks like this. It's possible the bolts are not long enough. I'm using a pair of long nose pliers just to hold the back bit in place while I try and screw the screws in. Actually, it's been held in place with my fingers from behind, and I've got the first screw in. I'm trying to get the next screw in now and see if it'll tighten up. So it looks like the first bolt, or the second bolt I'm trying to put in, is just too short to connect, so I found one which looks like the same thread, and I put a washer on it. It's a bit longer. I'll try that instead. So here goes the longer bolt. Well, that's the repair done. It's actually pretty solid, but is it enough to hold the tailgate? Let's get the new gas strut and see what happens. Here's the new gas strut from Nitrolift, nitroliftstruts.com in the UK. Approximately £27 delivered. There, that's the old one. Can't get it to so it's not too happy either actually, that one, does it? So let's see. Does it just click in? I need to remove that little silver thing first. Well, I couldn't get the stupid little spring clip in on the second part here, but it's totally solid. I wonder if I should put a wee bit of this stuff onto and some tools that were used along those pliers, hammer, PTFE spray. Was that a T30 sock tool, some spare aluminium, angle grinder to cut the metal, a drill with, I'm sure it was, yeah, it was a 7, and an extending pole to hold the tailgate up. Does it work now? This is the question, isn't it? Look at that. It's amazing that these gas struts can actually hold such a weight and they work in the way they do. think that'll last a while actually.